Open the trunk to gain access to the bulb assembly.
Pull back the trunk lining to gain access. Remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise. Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out.
You're less likely to scratch the paint on your vehicle if you use a panel puller to help pry out the housing.
First thing I'm going to do is pull the wiring out there, and then all you have to do is turn all the bulbs counterclockwise here and remove them.
Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place. You may need to use some force to get the bulb housing back in place. You should hear it connect to the vehicle.
Replace the bolts by turning them clockwise.
It's a good idea to hand tighten the bolts before securing them to the vehicle.
Fold the trunk lining to its original position.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.